Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to save files from Google Drive to USB drive. Now, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, make sure that your flash drive is connected to your computer, of course. All right, and once that's done, minimize the window. You can now go ahead and open up your browser and then just go ahead over to drive.google.com. Hit on enter, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and find the file that you wanted to download. Okay, so just for example, this audio right here, I can go ahead and hover over it and click on download. All right, just click on the download button. Wait a bit, and then once that's done, go ahead and find your flash drive right here. Click on it, give it a name or rename it if you want to. If not, just click on save. Wait for the download process to finish. And then once that's done, you can now then go ahead and close the browser if you want and find the flash drive window. And you'll now have it right here on your USB flash drive. All right. So that's how simple it is to save files from Google Drive to USB drive. I hope this video helps. I will see you in the next one.